Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp button to your Framer website. So this is helpful because visitors can use the button to contact you directly through WhatsApp. So first, I want you to open the Framer project where you want to add the button. And as you can see here, the actions or plugin button is no longer located at the bottom like it was in the old version of Framer. So to find it now, click Canvas in the top left corner, and under Go to Dashboard, you will see a Quick Actions option, and you can also open Quick Actions by pressing Command plus K on a Mac or Control plus K on Windows. So once Quick Actions is open, search for WhatsApp chat button and select the plugin from the search results. And from here, add the manager's name, role, and WhatsApp phone number with the correct country code. You can also enter an avatar URL, change the initial message shown in the pop-up, and add the text that will be pre-filled when someone opens WhatsApp. Next, I want you to choose your preferred button type, pop-up styles, position, shape, colors, size, margin, and available effects. You can check the live preview on the left while making these changes. And once everything looks correct, click the install button. And after that, return to your Framer project and click publish. And then select update to apply the changes to your live website. However, make sure that you have the Pro feature in the Framer to use the chat button. And finally, open the publish website to check the results. The WhatsApp button should now appear in the selected position, allowing visitors to open the chat window and contact you directly. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.